Hey girl, hey, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elisha Tania, and here on this channel we talk about all things fashion, beauty, lifestyle. And today, if you could tell by the title, we are doing something really crazy, but I'm trying to find my personal style in the next 31 days. If you are new to the channel, I embarked on a journey where I am doing a no buy challenge where I'm not buying any clothes for the entire year, and I'm shopping my closet all year because that's what I need to do. I am on a journey to find my personal style, and I'm hoping I can find it in the next 31 days. I don't know if I can, but we're going to try together. So I'm getting dressed every day for 31 days, and I'm having you guys join me in the challenge. So I'll be posting every day for 10 minutes a day what I'm wearing and why I'm wearing it. And it's just going to be me getting dressed and probably just chatting through. Some of them may be silent, some of them may be a voiceover. I'm not entirely sure. It depends on how I feel. Hoping that you guys will join me on this journey. Hopefully at day 31, I have a sense of idea of what my style is. Even if I don't like the outfit, I'm going to talk through it and we're going to try and work it out together. Hopefully by the end of the 31 days, I get an idea of what my sense of style is, or just have a video log of things and what they look like on me and decide if I want to keep them. I've been decluttering my closet for some time. I'm taking it slow. I'm going through my closet and trying on everything I wear. So I'm touching everything, I'm feeling everything, and I want to get dressed every day with you guys. So if that's something you're going to enjoy, please consider subscribing. Make sure you like this video, share with a friend who is also on a journey to find their personal style. And if you think today's outfit will inspire someone, I hope this is inspiring to you. And until next time, bye.
Okay, guys, welcome to another day of me shopping my closets. I'm in a very bad mood today. I do not feel like getting dressed. I'm headed to like a farmer's market to do some like random walking around, so we're not doing anything special today, but I want to keep it honest, and this is just a casual fit that I'm about to throw on. I was trying to figure out what to wear. I really wanted to wear this sweatshirt because I found it in storage, and I was trying to just throw on a pair of sneakers with it. Just like I said, I'm going to a flea market, so it was a very comfy fit we were going for. Okay, so now I'm trying to figure out like what jeans to wear or what pants to wear. I've been struggling with like my pants. If you don't know, I had a baby like 2 years ago, so I've gained quite a bit of weight and most of my pants do not fit. So I only have a few pairs of pants that actually fit me currently. I ended up changing my sweatshirt because nothing was working. So this is my comfy hoodie, and I love a monochrome look. I'm gonna wear denim, I'm gonna wear navy, and I'm always gonna revert back to my vintage Bottega hobo bag. It's my favorite bag. And I was still struggling with the jeans because I was just like, I did not like the flare at the bottom. So I tried a straight leg jean, and I didn't like this one either. It's just too short. Something about the bottom of these just didn't look right. So I ended up putting the jeans that I had on originally, the Express skyscraper jeans, back on. Something about these jeans with sneakers makes the outfit look dated. I don't know. I feel like a young girl, but whatever. This is what we ended up with. Loving this perfume. Just my very casual. I usually wear that perfume to the gym, honestly. But I love my little hobo bag. I wear this bag all the time. These are my little charms I'm showing y'all. My little Jesus piece. Yeah, he sees everything. And this is the final look. I mean, I promise you, your girl was very moody in this video, and I was not in a mood today, but we had things to do. I had kids to tend for. This was the final look. I found these shades. They're from the TikTok shop. They have like a blue lens, blue tints. I thought they looked good with it. Anyway, I like the outfit. I mean, it's just very casual. Hope you enjoyed. See see you tomorrow. Bye.